So today's a really, really exciting video because it is all about my trip to Morocco. My mom and I just landed and we're driving to our Riyadh. So we've been here once before 2 years ago. Probably one of my most favorite places ever on earth. And you will see why in this vlog. I can't wait to take you guys all over the souk markets and the Riyadh. So we're driving right now and the roads in Marrakech are crazy. They just like don't have any rules or lights, like stoplights or anything. So I hope this vlog helps you if you're planning your own trip to Morocco or just, I don't know, I love watching people's travel vlogs because I feel like I'm there with them. Guys, we're at our Riyadh. There's already a cat on my lap. I'm gonna give you a quick room tour, but it's 2 floors and it's the most stunning decor. I just feel like I'm totally in my element. This is the bathroom. I think this might be the bathroom of my dreams. Look at this sink. And then there's a laundry bin. This I love, it's the garbage, but it's a basket. You come up the stairs. And then this is the gorgeous room. It is the second day in Marrakech and it's the morning. I'm just sitting outside. I'm gonna read my book. So yesterday we went to the souk markets. We just kind of like wandered around, tried to find our way around. I didn't film because today I'm gonna film the whole day. I hope you guys are excited. It's really bright out here. Hello. So down here is the kind of like center of the Riyadh. I'll try a little bit. So we are off and I'm hoping I'll be able to vlog a bit through the streets, but people are really cautious about, which I get, kind of filming everything. So I'm gonna see what I can get. Okay, so this is the fruit market. All the colors are just so beautiful. Mom, are you having a good time? I'm having a great time. I love Morocco. Okay, so this is like the main square of Marrakech. It's kind of crazy. They have like snake charmers and monkeys. What's his name? Chichi? The first time I came here and we walked into the square, I had this moment where I was like, we're in just like a totally different world. You're like, okay, we're actually in Africa. Now we're going into this restaurant called La FAMILLE, and it's a vegetarian restaurant and it's so good. I'd highly recommend. And it just looks so beautiful. So we are at the JARDIN MAJORELLE, and there is a Yves Saint Laurent memorial here because he actually bought this garden.
I like all these coming down.
It is so peaceful in this garden. It's so quiet. As we went off the beaten path and look at this beautiful market we found. The lights are so beautiful.
I know they really are.
You just bought the most amazing basket. Show the vlog. Ooh. Love it. Okay, so now we are in the rug souk. And guys, like this is maybe where I belong to live. So beautiful. Wow. Guys, we're back from the souk. And every few hours they do a call to prayer. I'm wondering if you guys can. It's so calming. I love it. Take a look at our Riyadh lobby. in the evening.
Okay.
My mom found this spa and we're here to get some spa treatments. But look how beautiful it is. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, Mom, you should see in here. I couldn't film inside because we didn't have any clothes on. We just had a traditional hammam, which is basically like a body exfoliation. They basically like scrub your whole body and put a mask on it and like eucalyptus. I have no words because I just feel so relaxed. My camera died, so we have to film this on my phone, but it's our last day here and we did some shopping.
Just a little bit of shopping.
And we're gonna do a haul for you. One thing I will say about the markets of Marrakech is that you find like amazing things in the souks. And it's really fun to like bargain with all the shop owners.
And you have to bargain, that's expected as part of the whole thing.
Yeah.
So I guess my most favorite thing would be this amazing
So good.
mirror.
And this is like, what is this called?
Raffia.
Yeah, so this is kind of everywhere right now in Morocco.
It's the in thing. So it's kind of like a takeoff on the eye mirror.
Yeah.
With this beautiful raffia.
And everything that you find in the markets is like totally handmade, which is, okay, so I also got this eye mirror. You guys know that I have an eye mirror already in my bedroom, but this one is just heavier and bigger, and I love it.
And I picked up some more pillowcases.
Oh my gosh,
because I
so
have
good.
a little bit of a pillow fetish. So this is a beauty. Actually, I have one like this at home already that I got last time.
So good.
But in white with gold
Piping?
thread in it. So this is a kind of a peachy pink. And I got this beautiful pillowcase, sort of like they take off on a Moroccan wedding blanket. Yeah, this is a wool pillowcase.
I wish you guys could feel the quality of these. I'd say my favorite purchase, part in the souk that's all shoes, and we went off into a corner and found this shop that does all of these slippers. So you pick the color of slippers that you want, and then they customize them for you. So I got these. And then these are outdoors, so these have a thicker sole.
And then I got this fan because it was a little hot
I love
in
it.
Marrakech.
I also think that this is such good decoration. Like you could hang it on a wall or in a bathroom or something.
Yeah, and they had actually one in our room.
Yeah.
Just on they had a lovely white couch, just sitting on the couch. It looks really nice. So I got this beautiful light pink color with the mustardy color tassels, and it's really soft actually, and I'll use it like it's in the winter it's going to be really cozy.
I love this so much. So I've been looking for one of these in Canada, but they're so expensive. So I saw this one here and I love it. It's a purse, has a little tassel on the front, again with the like
this is
raffia.
really big here this year.
It is. I think it's
I
going to
didn't
be
see this a couple of years ago here, but this stuff with all this raffia on is really big.
And leather.
And talking of raffia,
oh my gosh, so good.
Because you can never have enough baskets. I'm actually going to use this as a plant basket and put one of my really big cheese plants in it. So I think it's just going to look stunning in my living room.
See, I take after my mother, using baskets as alternative
and
things. And I got this towel. This is like kind of like a Turkish, we call them Turkish towels in Canada.
And I got this beautiful
oh yeah, this is good.
candle holder. So you just put a little candle in there for outside and it looks so pretty. The light shining through the little holes. I don't know if you can really see that.
I actually have a question for you guys watching. Let me know in the comments below if you like the Moroccan style lanterns.
Can't leave Morocco without your orange blossom perfume.
So good. But again, with the
you can't have enough
tassels,
storage.
I just think these are so great for like cotton pads in the bathroom or even hair ties, I was thinking. We both got one of these copper dishes. So I'm actually gonna use this in my kitchen to put my dish brush on.
And I'm gonna use it in the bathroom, for soaks. I have a beautiful ash counter that would look a really deep brown. That would look lovely on there.
And the last item I've saved, because this is actually a giveaway for you guys. It's this pom-pom purse. Like how cute with a leather strap. So if you...
And raffia pom-poms.
And raffia pom-poms, yeah. So if you want to win this purse, go follow me on Instagram and comment on my latest post tagging someone who should watch my videos. So it'll be the post with this pom-pom bag. And I'm going to randomly select a winner and send it to you in the mail. Oh my gosh, yeah, you put this... And you get a string of pom-poms in it too. The guy in the shop was like, here, have some pom-poms.
They must have known you were Miss Pom-Pom.
Yeah. Okay, so that concludes our Moroccan vlog.
Well, we had a great time, and
So
I would
good.
highly recommend
Yeah,
if you ever
everyone-
get a chance to visit Marrakech.
Let me know if you want to see more, like, I don't know, content on Morocco. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next Friday. Bye.